What's up guys, Gary here, back with another review. This time, we're going to be talking about this guy, which is the GoPro Seeker backpack. So it is the official backpack from GoPro, meant to carry all of your GoPro accessories and or gear. It's like a $150 backpack, and the question is it worth it? And the short answer is, at $150, maybe not, but if you bring the price down, absolutely. So this has recently become my favorite backpack. I carry it with me just about everywhere, and I don't just have GoPro stuff in here, obviously. But let's talk about the construction, the compartments, and then I'll tell you the price and where and how to get it, at least as far as I can tell. So first off, when you look at this thing right here, we've got 3 compartments on it. You've got one, which is hard to see, but it's under the straps right here. That would fit a laptop, a water bladder, which is what I've used it for before, and a couple other things. I usually carry an iPad Pro in there, as well as like a Kindle and whatnot. Next, you have the top part right here, which we're gonna unzip. And it's one of these where you've got little dividers with Velcro, some pouches which you can just label right there. Everything is kind of water sealed and looks great. That's meant to house like your actual GoPros themselves. So I keep like 3 different GoPros, a 360 camera, and some spare batteries and stuff. Then we've got the main pouch, 2 straps on the side. Flip that up, and you've got another zippered pouch with label, a nice little quick access spot, big open area, and a few dividers down in there that you can't quite see, but I find works perfectly. And then last and obviously least in my opinion, is this one, which has a blue lanyard. I don't know why it's blue, but it looks cool. Is a pouch that I use for essentially absolutely nothing because it's really small. All right, other things about this bag though that are sweet. Obviously it's got these little spots where you can hook something to. I keep a carabiner just in case I need it. That's not really a selling point. What is a selling point though is these side pouches. Now, if you use GoPro accessories or a selfie stick or something like that, this is your best friend, because it, right here you can see I'm tightening it in, and this is the El Grande grip, and that holds it on the sides. When you have the backpack on, you can extend it up and do an over-the-head shot. And it has 2 of them, one right there, one up top. Call it good. The other side, just a water bottle pouch or whatever you want to put in there, right? No worries, you can tighten it down. On the front here, the straps themselves and the back, it's nicely padded, gives you good support. Straps are pretty firm. These blue parts right here that you see, that is for, it has an included chest mount. So it's in the backpack. In the back, you can pull it out, clip it to it, and then you get a GoPro chest mount built into your backpack. Or you have, of course, shoulder mount right there that you can put it on the strap of the backpack. This right here is for if you are using a water bladder. Put that strap in. A couple of buckles that go across the front. Okay, so that's kind of the gist of the backpack. It seems pretty normal, really nicely constructed. Something I didn't think I was gonna love, but I do love. These right here for zipper pulls, other companies should take note. These are amazing. They have a little rubber piece on the fabric, so it's super easy to grab these no matter what condition your hands are in and pull them open. That is an awesome, awesome positive. Now let's talk price. Like I said, it's like 140 bucks, brand new. But if you sign up for GoPro Plus, which I also highly recommend at the cost and what you get from it, one of the things you get is discount on accessories. So you can buy this direct from GoPro. The last time I checked, with the discount, it goes from 150 down to 80 bucks. And at 80, this is a fantastic backpack. I can wholeheartedly recommend this thing. From the quality, all the nice little touches. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you really do GoPro or not, but if you do any kind of hiking where you want to carry a small GoPro or action camera or 360 camera, and if you're doing 360, this with the extended up on the top gives you a great view. So there you have it, folks. This is the GoPro Seeker backpack. I highly recommend it. It's become my daily driver, even for when I'm like going into work and I have a bag with computer gear and tech in it. So thanks guys. As always, we will catch you in the next one. Cheers.